Could you please talk to us about the eternal guru-disciple relationship? What happens if the guru leaves the body first? What happens if the student goes first? Do they always meet again in other bodies? Thank you for your teachings and the gift of knowing Master Shivananda through you. The guru-disciple relationship never ends. It's always there. Neither the guru dies, nor the disciple dies. They are all eternal. They are not even separated. They are not two different entities. You put them as different. The guru is in you, as you. But until you realize that, you take the help of something or somebody outside and call it as the guru. It's almost like to know your own face, you have to have a mirror. Looking at the mirror, you correct your face here, not at the mirror. So anything and anybody who reflects you, you can call a guru. In this case, the mirror is a guru, because the guru shows you. The mirror shows you. When do you need a mirror? When you don't know you have a face. If you know you have a face, you don't even need a guru. So the guru-disciple never apart from each other. We don't talk about the bodies. Guru in a body, disciple in another body. Still, if you want to call it separately, what is the guru? The teaching is the guru, not the teacher. So your straight answer to your question is, they always meet. But need not be in the same bodies. You will meet your guru wherever you go, but don't look for the same car, same body. We don't limit it to the bodies. They work through a body, through a vehicle, that's all. They come in any form until you realize your own true nature.